Alright, today what I want to do is take a couple of minutes to show you how to build a basic Prezi presentation. Now here you see the working board for Prezi, and setting up a Prezi is very simple, so let's get started. Well, the first thing you want to do is of course add some text, and to add text, notice you have the directions right here. Double click anywhere and add an idea. So what I'm going to do, and I'm going to name this a title, okay? And I'm just going to click by saying sample Prezi presentation. Okay, and there we are. That's my title. So what I want to do now is I can play with this tool here. It allows me to do several things. For one thing, if you click on this inner circle, it allows you either to increase the size of your font or shrink it. So you have many options. You also can, with the outer ring, rotate your object, like so. Okay? And then, if you want to move it around, you grab the inside, and that allows you to move the object around. Okay? Now this little plus sign is just a menu with some other options that you can explore. And if you always need help, you can always just click right here, and it'll give you, as you can see, various instructions on how this is done. So it's kind of cool. Alright, so this is the name of my presentation. I'm going to rotate it back to something normal so it looks a little straight. And then I want to add, let's say, colors and different fonts. So here you have options where you can change, for instance, your background and your font colors to something of your choosing to make it more agreeable to you. Okay, and these are all the options you have. So that's pretty much what you're going to have to stick with. So here we are, making this a little bit bigger. Now there's some other things you can draw here too. You have, for instance, you can insert shapes. All right, so I'm going to just quickly draw an arrow up, over to here. Okay, so we can see that. And the next thing I'm going to do is introduce a YouTube video. And to do that, it's really simple. All you have to do is click, you don't even have to click load file. You just double click and notice you have this title, the text box comes up. So what you do then is go to your YouTube site, copy the web page, and paste your URL. Once you do that, there you have your YouTube video. And you can move it, rotate it. So I can rotate it just like that, and there's my YouTube video. Okay, now to run my presentation, the first thing I want to do is put in a path. And so in the pathway, it tells you which way your order the presentation is going to go. So of course this is the first step, and then the YouTube video is the second step. And that's it. That's how you set a path. Now if I wanted the arrow to be second step, I can grab this middle section and do that. So let's just quickly see how this is done. And this is just stage one of building a Prezi, and I'll be introducing a second video later on to do more complex things. So let's just see how this is done. Basically, to move the presentation, you hit the arrow buttons here on the bottom of the screen, and notice it goes right to and plays the YouTube video. You can always go backwards to your objects. You can even scroll in and out if you want to just take direct control with your mouse, like so. And then, of course, since this is a video, I can hit play, stop. I can do all the sorts of things I want to do with it. Okay? All right, thank you very much. Like I said, part 2 is coming later.